Stop doing X, do Y instead. Stop wishing, start acting. Right now. Turn small moves into massive momentum. Ditch perfection, pick progress. One bold step beats 10 perfect plans.
Imagine creating a full professional video like this using just one single prompt. In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll show you how to use InVideo AI to create videos in under 2 minutes, even if you've never edited before. Creators, freelancers, businesses, and even YouTubers use this tool to make amazing videos fast, and you can too. Step 1, go to InVideo AI and log in using Google. The homepage looks like this. Now just type what video you want. For example, create a 30-second motivational video with fast cuts, captions, upbeat music, and bold titles. And then click Generate. And here's the magic. InVideo AI automatically adds stock footage, music, captions, transitions, and builds the entire video for you. You can click any scene to change the text, replace clips, change music, or adjust timing. Everything is drag and drop, so beginners can edit easily. Once you're happy, click Export, choose HD quality, and your video is ready for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or client work.
Stop doing X, do Y instead. Stop wishing, start acting. Right now. Turn small moves into massive momentum. Ditch perfection, pick progress. One bold step beats 10 perfect plans. Fail fast, learn faster, celebrate tiny wins. Clock's ticking. Plant the seed. Water it daily. Watch it grow. Today is your advantage. Move. Repeat. Win.
Seriously, what used to take hours can now be done in 2 minutes. InVideo AI is one of the fastest ways to make content in 2025. If you want more fast AI tool tutorials, hit like and subscribe. And comment InVideo AI if you want me to make an advanced tutorial next.